How to fix your TikTok repost button not showing. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative contents. So let's begin. First, you want to launch your TikTok application. The reason that your repost button is not available is because your account might be private. So what that does is, let me show you. If I go to my profile right here, as you can see, I have a private account and I don't have many followers. So if I just go to my settings and privacy here, if my account is private, then that means that I won't be able to repost videos and it won't be visible to the public eye. So in order to repost, you will have to disable your private account and switch it to a public account. And once you do that, if you go back to your home screen, you can just tap on the share button, and here you will see a button to repost. So if I just tap on repost, it will repost this specific video. So if I just go to another video right here and I can tap on repost, it will repost. And if I just check my profile, it will show up on my reposts. So, but in some videos, the repost option is not available. It has been turned off by the creator. Then you cannot do anything in that case. But most of the videos you will be able to repost. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you on the next one.